Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, it is Sunday and it's time for a shave. We got 3 days worth of growth and it's time to take it off. Today's shave soap is by Strike Gold Shave, and it's a collaboration soap with Shave Dad, and this is 3-ring Circus. I was lucky enough to grab the last one. I had a little bit of complications trying to place my order. Here's what the soap looks like. You can tell it has some vanilla in it. And if I told you that I could smell raspberry, fig, vanilla, and caramel, I'd be lying to you. To me, it really does smell like cotton candy. And since this is a tallow-based soap, I am picking up some of the natural tallow scent, which is completely normal. And it will have a little bit of a different scent than the actual splash because of the tallow ingredients in it. That's neither here nor there. I do have the soap already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and boy do I have it just the way I like it. It's got a little sheen, it's probably a little drippy bloopy, and we'll just see how it goes. Today I'm using this Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Solar Flare, and if you noticed, I pulled out the synthetic knot and put in a badger knot. All right, so the next thing on my list is my razor. It's going to be the Artifact Razor. I already have it loaded up with the Gillette Silver Blue. No, it's not. It's the Gillette Yellow 7 o'clock. See, I was going to say Gillette 7 o'clock Yellow, but the Silver Blue just slipped right out. Anyway, here's the razor. I have it loaded, and this is going to make for a messy shave because it has these little pilot holes to absorb the water with the track inside. And let's just go ahead and get right to it. Speaking of getting right to it, every morning when I wake up, usually get on YouTube at some point. I try to watch all of my friends' channels. If they've got new videos, I try to watch them, you know, just to give them the love and support that everyone wants. And it's just a nice thing to do. Well, I had clicked on my subscriptions tab because I don't always see in the feed everyone's videos. So I was looking for fuzzy shaves or shaving with fuzzy, and I couldn't find it. I'm like, what's going on here? What, something, you know? So I scrolled over, still couldn't find him. So I actually typed in the channel, looked for it, couldn't find it. So I don't know if there's something going on. If you know, if you watch Shaving with Fuzzy, if you watch his channel and you know what the deal is, comment below and let me know. Unless it's something private, don't message and tell me. I was just curious. I'd reached out to a couple of my other friends and was like, hey, have you seen, you know, heard from him? I just wanted to make sure he was okay. And he's not the type of person that would just delete the channel because he was upset or something. So I don't think it's that. He's a tough-skinned person. He can dish it out and he can take it, so I know that's probably not what was going on. And it just may be an error on YouTube's part. You never know. Very nice. There's not a ton of residual slickness there, but it does have some there. And it's time to trim up the goatee. It's crazy to think that this little tab that sticks out, or this little corner piece here, will sometimes grab the hair you would think it would just bounce right off, but it'll get right between there, wedged in, and give it a little yank in there. Ooh. And that, for me, that happens a lot with different razors. I think it's just the nature of the beast. Sometimes I do my videos a day ahead because of YouTube taking so long to upload, and then there will be days that my video uploads in 5 minutes and I can't figure out exactly why it takes forever, or there's such inconsistency with it. I don't know. But it happens. And I didn't do it yesterday. And I'm getting a little bit of a late start this morning, so. I will tell you, as far as the scent goes, my wife enjoys this scent. I enjoy it. It does stick around for quite some time. When I first got it, I put it on the back of my hand because I was excited. I just got it. I think I just said that. Anyway, the next morning, the scent was still there. It was pretty mild, but for it to last that long, I was pretty impressed with that. Nice. Did you guys happen to pick up this particular scent or set? Was it something you wanted? I know it's a gourmand scent, and a lot of people, or many people, don't want to go down that road of scents because they think it's unappealing just by the sound of it. And I would say that this scent is actually a very nice one. If you've ever thought about it and you're not a gourmand scent person, this would be a great one to try out. It's not an over-the-top scent. It's a scent I think everyone would enjoy, and there's definitely some nostalgia in that scent. And so if someone was close enough to you to smell it, it would just kind of get them, you know, like, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water. I'm gonna be right back. Nice. Excellent. And here we go. Time for the aftershave splash. Now, I will say, for me, I recommend that you shake this thing up very well. And if you can see it before you do the shake, you'll notice it's more clear. And I recommend shaking it until it kind of gets that milky color. And for me, I will have to say that it does have quite a bit of an alcohol scent to it right off the top. And I think it's just the ingredients. So when you go to apply it or wear it on the back of your hand, you will have to give it a little while before. And it's more, to me, it's more of a rubbing alcohol scent. But once that dissipates, and it takes a good 35, 40 seconds before you can pick up the cotton candy. But once that evaporates and it's gone, that cotton candy scent really comes alive, and it's a beautiful scent. Right now I'm still picking up the alcohol. And I'm gonna follow that up with some star jelly. I was making the lather earlier, and the Adobe She loves it. She thinks it's a treat. And she had that big old tongue and just flopping in the air like, I want some of that. And I'm like, get away. It's my shave stuff. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here for you guys to see everything that I used, or at least the main things that you're concerned about what I used. A little picture there. And I will see you guys on Wednesday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.